In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify Merchant ID, a crucial piece of information for managing your online payments effectively. Now, you might have noticed that Shopify doesn't make this information readily available in their admin user interface, and it's not uncommon to feel a little puzzled about where to locate it. Let me guide you through the process step by step so you can seamlessly obtain your merchant ID without much hassle. First, let's understand why it's not straightforward to find this on your Shopify admin dashboard. The merchant ID is a specific identifier within Shopify's own payment system, Shopify Payments, and other associated providers. It's something Shopify considers internal. According to Shopify's own support documentation and the broader e-commerce community, this ID isn't accessible directly from the dashboard, and it's easy to confuse it with terms like Shop ID or Store ID, which are entirely different and serve other functions. So, how do you go about getting your merchant ID? The most direct route is to get in touch with Shopify support. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or new to the platform, contacting their support team will be your go-to method. Start by opening a support ticket through your Shopify admin or by visiting the Shopify Help Center. When you reach out, make sure to be specific with your request. Ask them directly if they can provide you with your Shopify Merchant ID, also known as the Account Merchant Identifier used for payments. Once you make this request, the support team should be able to locate it for you and share the information promptly. While you wait for the support team, there's another avenue you can explore: your email communications from Shopify. Particularly when you first set up your payment provider, say Shopify Payments, you likely received several onboarding emails. These emails may contain references to your merchant account numbers. So, take a moment to dive into your email history, whether from Shopify directly or your chosen payment provider, and see if you can locate any hints about your merchant ID there. Lastly, if you're using a third-party payment provider instead of Shopify Payments, it might be worth exploring their dashboard. Many third-party payment platforms tend to display their own version of a merchant ID or account number that might be easily accessible when you log into their portal. While this isn't the same as Shopify's own merchant ID, it can sometimes be useful information to have on hand. That concludes today's guide on locating your merchant ID in Shopify. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful in demystifying the process. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your payments more effectively and ensuring everything runs smoothly with your Shopify store. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!